Okay, here's the trig identity that we'll be using right here. The sine of the sum of two angles, x plus y, is equal to the sine of the first times the cosine of the second plus the cosine of the second sine of the first. These inverse cotangent of 4/3 and inverse sine of negative 5/13, they're just angles. They represent like the x and the y in this identity. So if we want to expand this using this identity, we take the sine of the first angle, and that's the angle that has a cotangent of 4/3, times the cosine of the angle that has a sine of negative 5/13, plus the cosine of the first angle, the angle that has a cotangent of 4/3, times the sine of the angle that has a sine of negative 5/13. And these little diagrams here will help us determine what those values are. The angle that has a cotangent of 4/3 in the first quadrant, adjacent over opposite by the Pythagorean theorem, the hypotenuse has to be 5. So this right here is the angle that has a cotangent of 4/3. So the sine of that angle is 3/5. This diagram over here shows us the angle that has a sine of negative 5/13. So the x coordinate is 12. So the cosine of that angle is 12/13. The cosine of the angle that has a cotangent of 4/3 is 4/5. And the sine of the angle that has a sine of negative 5/13 is negative 5/13. So we've got 36/65 minus 20/65 is equal to 16/65. And I meant to get a picture earlier. I forgot to do that. Here is proof that we've got that right. There you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.